इंस्टाकेयर यूट्यूब चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल आइकन पर क्लिक करें। मज़ीद वीडियोस देखने के लिए इंस्टाकेयर ऐप डाउनलोड करें।
Today I'll be talking about cosmetic dentistry. What is cosmetic dentistry? Cosmetic dentistry is like spa but for your teeth. Just normally we go to the spa to get better looks, to get more groomed. It's like a spa treatment for your teeth. It's a branch of dentistry that entails any procedure that's going to make your teeth look nicer, brighter, whiter, and just better overall. It could be looks and it could also be health. अब इसमें there's several treatments that are involved that could make your teeth better. For example, if you ever click a selfie and you're like, why do my teeth look yellow and why are they not bright enough? No problem, we got a solution for you. It's a procedure called tooth whitening or tooth bleaching. It's an appointment that you book. Takes 3 to 4 hours. एक barrier लगाया जाता है across your gums so that they won't be hurt because the chemicals that are used are pretty strong. So we apply the gel on your teeth. उसे activate किया जाता है light से, which is UV light, LED lamp होता है, उससे किया जाता है और and just like that, within 3 to 4 hours, you can have teeth at least so many tones whiter than you actually came into the office with. That's one thing to make your teeth brighter. Then another one, do you have a chipped tooth? Did you have a fall and your tooth broke apart, fractured, it chipped? So we have a solution for that. We can crown them up. Now that depends on the extent of the chipping. If it's too chipped, like in that case, we would have to go with a root canal treatment, which would then be followed by a crown on top. If you have gaps in your teeth, we can fill them up. It's a quicker procedure than getting a braces treatment or an aligners treatment, which is also, by the way, one of the cosmetic dental procedures. We can do veneers. Veneers can be of zirconium, and we can just fill up your gaps with that, and it's a procedure that would take about 7 days of the week, and by the end of the week you can have a completely perfect smile with no gaps at all. Do you have a missing tooth? In case of a missing tooth, you can have a dental implant or any sort of prosthesis that's fixed, because of course that would be functionally better than getting a removable denture. उसमें क्या होता है, if you want to go for a bridge is something जिसमें आपका दांत जो missing होता है उसके आगे और पीछे वाले दांत को लेके we grind them up and we put up a bridge there. It's also just like veneers, it's also going to take you about a week. There'd be 2 appointments. You'll come in at first appointment, we'll take up the size, we'll take an impression, we'll send it back to the lab. It's going to take a few days, then we'll call you back on a second appointment. We're going to just cement it and fix the occlusion and you'll be good to go. That's one thing. That's quicker. We have dental implants also, which would entail putting an implant, which is also, in layman terms, it's like a screw sort of a thing that's put in the bone of your jaw. It basically replaces the root of the tooth. वो लगाते हैं after 6 to 8 weeks, when the integration into the bone is done, फिर उसके ऊपर दांत लगाया जाता है. So it's a rather longer process than crown and bridge, but it's obviously the best. So in case of chipping, we can also fill it up with a bonding material, that's composite resin. We can bond it. It's like a white filling that जो आजकल लोग laser filling जिसको कहते हैं, it's basically composite resin. इसमें हम लोग दांत का कोई भी टूटा हुआ structure होता है, we just grind it a bit, उसे bond कर देते हैं. It's like a tooth colored filling material जिससे we build up the tooth and it looks just like your normal natural tooth. So these are one of the procedures that you can have to fix your smile. Apart from that, we also offer, it's a very routine process that we do, scaling and polishing. Everyone should get it done at least biannually. That is what's recommended, but if you cannot have it done biannually, you can have it done annually at least. इसमें आपके दांतों पे समटाइम्स होता है कि हम जो भी खा रहे होते हैं स्टेन्स हो जाते हैं. a lot of times you will be seeing गम्स के साथ वो ब्लैक सी लाइंस बन जाती हैं दांतों के ऊपर. समटाइम्स कुछ लोगों के पूरे दांत कवर्ड होते हैं बिकॉज ऑफ स्मोकिंग एंड हैविंग कॉफ़ी एंड colored drinks like Sting and stuff like that. So they can leave stains on your teeth. Those can be removed using this process called scaling and polishing. It's a 2-visit process. It can also be done in a single visit. इसमें हम दांतों को साफ करते हैं, then we polish it off, leaving you with a very sparkly, bright smile. So these are a few procedures that we do in cosmetic dentistry that we offer here at our dental complex. To book an appointment with us, please visit InstaCare. Thank you very much.